Don't download iOS 26 developer beta update. I see on TikTok a lot of people are downloading this onto the phone that they use every day, and that's a huge mistake. The developer beta is exactly that. It's for developers to test the compatibility of iOS 26 with their app. These releases are known to have issues, so you don't want to do this on your regular phone. The iOS 18 developer beta had several issues: apps freezing, refusing to close, notifications not showing up, and several other issues. I would highly encourage you to wait for the public beta to be rolled out once the developer version is complete. Although this isn't as stable as the final release in September 2025, it would give you access to see what iOS 26 will look like. But once again, I strongly encourage you to only do that on your second phone, not on your main phone that you use every day. So I'm curious, leave a comment down below. Have you already downloaded the iOS 26 developer beta?